Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I hope everyone's doing well. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I hope that you're all doing well. Welcome to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and start the show right now. I want to first let everyone know if you are new to the channel, there is gonna be a button down below. Gonna look at bell icon or bell icon. Excuse my language. But anyway, click on that. Click on that so you get notifications every time we release videos. So it's this time again that we need to go ahead and drop more videos for y'all because I've been a little sick, but I'm getting a little bit better. But I wanted to just talk to you about the news about the car industry or whatnot, and about what I'm doing with my fleet. Also, speaking of that, if you are trying to start a fleet for yourself or just get into the car rental business, I have a Turo course that I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing play by play, with the addition that you can do this working remotely. This is very straightforward. I'm going to walk you A through Z and you'll be able to knock this out. And right now we're offering a very phenomenal discount for the course. So check that out. The link's going to be down below. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm gonna talk about my experience. I think the best thing to do is to talk about what I recently dealt with. So in Charlotte, North Carolina, we're dealing with a new change with the policies with Turo. Over a year ago, or I would say close to a year ago, it used to be where you can actually park your car at the airports. So guys, one advantage that I look at when folks say they're not making a lot of money, it depends on where your location at and what your prices are. If you are at a major airport, this can be very critical for you. With a major airport like Charlotte Douglas Airport, you are able to really make an impact. So going back on the story I was saying, they got away from the free parking for Turo hosts. A lot of Turo hosts end up doing what I'm doing now, is just taking that fee and charging it on to the guests. You have the option to do that if you want to or not. I recommend you go ahead and do it because you can't set special prices at the airport for guests. So if someone sees your car on the schedule, on the calendar, they see it for that price. You can't say, well, if this is this price now, I'm just gonna add this for actual fee for the car. You need to go ahead and take care of that. When you're talking to your guests about this, because they're gonna complain about this, right? Whether you're in Charlotte or you're dealing in another airport that's not gonna allow you to do the Turo parking for free, you gotta explain to them and show them the documentation. So for me, I showed them the news article in the description before they book the vehicle. Once they do that, they know that I'm not making this up. This is not some extra money from my pockets. This is actually coming from the airport itself, showing that they have increased the prices. Another thing that I tell guests is that there's benefits for the valet parking because that's what we have at Charlotte. The valet parking allows you to get right to the location taking a shuttle. So only thing you gotta do is walk out of the airport, get onto the Express Shuttle 1 airport, and it's gonna take you there within 5 to 10 minutes. And a good thing is that when you're getting there, they will load up your bags for you. So they would do free shuttle services, they would do free luggage carrying for you. So it's perks for that, right? So when you're dealing with this too, guys, when you're dealing with prices that you can't control, you gotta look at other things that you can do. For example, for me, the delivery fee. That's another thing that I can control though, but it's something that has to be done because with Ubers going up in Charlotte, we had to come up with another way. One of those ways was to hire a driver, excuse me. Hire a driver. The driver basically is paid a flat fee. It's lower than what it is for Uber, and he is the shuttle for my drivers. And you might say, well, why would you do that? Because it's a little bit economical. With the situation going in Charlotte, North Carolina, there is, I think, a shortage of drivers for Uber. Like typical wait times are now 1 hour, and people have stuff to do. And I think this is very straight, simple for my team to actually follow through. And the guy who's actually doing, I personally know him, and he's pretty straightforward. Now he would drive his own vehicle, which is even better. My guys just got to meet at one location. He picks them up, drops them off, vice versa. One thing I will talk about too for the airports, you just gotta make it very clear to your guests too. If you're gonna do any type of drop off at the airport or another location, have pictures, have links to pictures. It used to be at one point that it was a third party site that used to work with Turo that will allow them to actually be able to post pictures through the messaging. Now you just have to send the links, because if you do the pictures, you have to manually do it. With the template messages that we talk about also in my course, you can also be able to send links again, showing them the Google Maps link, the link to the pictures that you may have on a Google Drive itself that's open to public, so they can see everything that you're talking about. For guests that I've dealt with recently, for them, they usually get confused, not because I said something wrong, it's because that with Turo, sometimes they will send out instructions about the airport, which is not accurate, which I've talked to them before. But the main thing that you have to do is definitely talk to your guests often when they're doing bookings with airports or other locations other than the home location. So let them know, and this is how I do it. I let them know that they booked with the airport. If you book at the airport, I can make a message say, hey, you know you booked at the airport, right? And it's more to it, but you let them know you booked at the airport. There's gonna be further additional instructions for you. And then the next thing you know, I let them know about the valet fees. I let them know, I showed them the news article so they know, because I had questions, why I gotta pay this for if I pay the delivery fee? Delivery fee is totally different from the valet fee. And I also let them know too that the other option is that you just come to the home location, which is only 15 minutes away. So either way you look at it, I mean, you either can just take the extra ride or you can just go on the valet thing, because you're not gonna have people doing it for free, really. If they're doing it for free, they're doing it brand new, like I did at the very beginning. When I started with Turo, I did free delivery at the airport for the first 2 weeks, and after that, once my bookings got up, I stopped all that because it started getting expensive. And we're now riding into the summer, close to the summertime. So delivery fees for Uber or Lyft are gonna start shooting up higher because people are traveling more frequently. And these companies know that. But the thing, at the end of the day, you gotta cut your costs down, you have to reduce it. So these are some of the things that I've been doing to help out. I would like to know, if you are a host right now on Turo, or you're thinking about being a host, what are some of the things that you ran across that you had to troubleshoot? Like for me, it was this airport situation. It was something simple, but like dealing with the guests, it could be complicated, right? And I just broke it down to them and made sure that everyone understood both sides, my drivers, my guests, even the airport, and letting them know that, hey, since y'all charging us for this, this is what I'm doing for my guests, and this is why. I built that rapport. So guys, let me know down in the comments what you think. This is a short video. I hope that you love these videos. I'm gonna be pushing more stuff out there. You let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, give thumbs up. Let me know if you love it, guys. Share it. Drop your comments down below, because that's what helps me out when I'm making these videos. And don't forget, we're gonna have a course be dropping out here soon in June. This is gonna be offered at a very low discounted rate, because this is a brand new course. This is gonna get you from A to Z, being able to work Turo remotely, meaning that you don't have to be in Charlotte. I'm not in Charlotte. I'm in another country, as a matter of fact. This is what I'm going to show you. A lot of these people who have these courses, they're going to tell you, do this and do that, blah, blah, blah. But show me the ones that are saying, hey, you can remotely work outside of another country. I'm literally living in Bahrain right now, and I'm able to do this, just use my laptop. And it's not that hard. I'm gonna show you how to set this all up. So if you're interested in doing this, comment down below, let me know. It's gonna be a link down below for the course, but let me know. I'm here to help. So guys.